Scene75 Entertainment Center is an indoor-outdoor entertainment center located in Dayton, Ohio. Scene75 Entertainment Center features indoor and outdoor attractions, dining options, and fun activities for all ages. Scene75 is one of the largest entertainment centers in the country and was designated the #1 entertainment center in North America by the International Association of Amusement Parks in Attraction, thanks to its dedication to providing top-notch entertainment to guests all year round. Scene75 Entertainment Center features a number of attractions, including arcade games, indoor go-karts, laser tag, blacklight mini golf, virtual reality games, bumper cars, mini bowling, inflatable jumpers, 4D motion theater, a laser maze, and much more. Some of the arcade games at the Scene75 Entertainment Center in Dayton include Pac-Man Smash Air Hockey, Monster Drop Extreme, Blackbeard's Bounty, Wizard of Oz, Aliens Armageddon, and more. Games range from classic arcade games to coin pushers to jackpot-style games and everything in between. Gamers are rewarded in tickets which are loaded automatically onto players' Scene75 card, eliminating the need for unwieldy tickets. Prizes can be redeemed at the redemption counter. Located at 6196 Poe Avenue, Dayton, Ohio.